This problem, this one is IIT 2010 advanced problem. Advanced question. Angle between vectors A and B, where A, B, C are unit vectors. A, B, C are unit vectors. Modulus A 1, modulus B 1, modulus C 1. Satisfying A vector plus vector B plus root 3 times of vector C equal to 0. The question is the angle between A vector and B vector. Now A vector plus B vector. Now root 3 times of vector C will take right hand side. This one is a minus root 3 vector C. Here this is a vector notation. We will take a modulus both sides. Vector A plus vector B equals minus root 3 times of vector C. Now square on both sides. Now vector A plus vector B whole square equals root 3 whole square is 3 modulus vector C whole square. Now A plus B whole square modulus A square plus modulus B square plus 2AB vector A vector dot product with B vector A dot B equals 3 times of modulus C square 3 times of. Here A, B, C are unit vectors. Modulus A1, modulus B1, modulus C is 1. Now 1 plus dot product formula modulus A, modulus B and cos theta. A theta angle between vector A and vector B. So 3 into modulus C vector. Modulus C is 1. Now 2. 2 times of this one is modulus A is 1, modulus B is 1. 2 into cos theta. 2 into cos theta equals 3 minus 2. 1. Now cos theta equal to 1 by 2. Cos how many degrees? 1 by 2? Pi by 3. 60 degrees. So which one is the right option? Third one is the right option. Next problem. Value of x for which angle between A vector and B vector is obtuse. And angle between B vector and zx is B vector B and zx is acute. Is acute less than pi by 6. Okay. Listen to me. Question is the value of x for which angle between A and B is obtuse and angle between B and zx is acute angle and less than pi by 6. First dot product. A dot product with B vector. A vector dot product with B vector. Modulus A vector modulus B vector into cos theta. Yeah, vector A, vector B equal dot product equals modulus A vector into modulus B vector into cos theta. Now angle between the two vectors cos theta equals A dot B by modulus vector A into modulus vector B. This one is acute angle. Acute angle means less than 90 degrees. This one is obtuse angle, more than 90 degrees. This one first quadrant, this one second quadrant. First quadrant, cos theta positive, greater than 0. Second quadrant, cos theta negative, so less than 0. For acute angle cos theta greater than 0. What is theta? A dot B by modulus A vector into modulus B vector greater than 0. For obtuse cos theta less than 0. Obtuse angle means more than 90 degrees. More than 90 degrees, second quadrant cos theta negative. Now A dot B by modulus A vector into modulus vector B less than 0. This is important one. First one is A vector and B vector are obtuse angle. Obtuse angle means cos theta less than 0. Cos theta less second quadrant. Obtuse angle second quadrant cos theta less than 0. What is cos theta? A dot B. Now A dot B by modulus A vector into modulus B vector less than 0. Dot product between A and B. A dot product with B vector. Now I cap into I cap, 7 2s are 14, 14x square. J cap into J cap, 4x into minus 2, minus 8x. K cap into K cap, coefficients, so 1 into x, x, plus x. Plus x by modulus A vector. Modulus A is square root of 2 square 4, 4 square 16, 1 square 1. This one is the square root of 21. Next square root of modulus B vector. Modulus B vector is square root of 7 square 49, 2 square 4, x square. Okay, sorry, this one is I coefficient is 2x whole square. This one is 4x square. It is not a scalar. Scalar value రావట్లేదండి modulus A modulus B. ఎందుకంటే coefficient of I is 2x square. Okay, right. Square root of modulus A, modulus A 2x whole square, that is a 4x square plus J coefficient 4x whole square 16x square. This one is 4x power 4. Now K coefficient 1 square is 1. Square root of modulus B vector, modulus vector B. Now 7 square 49 plus 2 square 4 plus x square greater than 0. Can we observe square root of 4x power 4 plus 16x square plus 1? It is a positive. It is always positive. Degree of x is 4. Degree of x is 4 and 2. It is always positive. This one also always be positive. So remove these two. Less than 0. And entire function less than 0 అంటే నెగిటివ్ ఉండాలి మనకి. And this term నెగిటివ్ ఉండాలి. This term నెగిటివ్ ఉండాలంటే మనకి this one positive, this one positive అండి. రెండు పాజిటివ్ కాబట్టి న్యూమరేటర్ must be negative. So just remove these two. Now 14x square minus 7x less than 0. ఇది నెగిటివ్ ఉంటే ఎంటర్ ఫంక్షన్ నెగిటివ్ కదండి, ఎందుకంటే 2 టైమ్స్ అనేవి పాజిటివ్, ఆల్వేస్ పాజిటివ్ కాబట్టి దిస్ టర్మ్ మస్ట్ బి నెగిటివ్. సో జస్ట్ రిమూవ్ దిస్ 2. Now 7x bring outside. 7x times of 2x minus 1 less than 0. Here x equal to 0 and x equal to 1 by 2. X equal 0 and x equal to 1 by 2. Number line. 0 minus infinity plus infinity 1 by 2. So extreme right always positive. Extreme right always positive. Next to negative. Next to positive. Here required less than 0. Less than 0 means between 0 and 1. Less than 0 and between 0 and 1 and positive ఉంది అనుకోండి. Greater than 0 means minus. Greater than 0 ఉంది అనుకోండి. In case greater than 0, here closed interval 1 by open interval 1 by 2 to infinity union minus infinity to 0. So less than 0 means negative values and less than 0 negative. So here x belongs to open interval 0 and 1 by 2. Let us see equation 1. This is the case 1. Next, second case, angle between B vector. Angle between vector B and z axis. So what is the formula? This is acute and acute angle. This one is this angle is acute angle. Acute angle means more than 90, greater than 90. That is the second quadrant. Second quadrant cos theta negative. So cos theta less than 0. First dot product between B and Z axis. What is vector B? 7i cap minus 2j cap plus xk cap into Z axis. Z axis is only k cap by square root of 7 square 49 modulus vector A and modulus Z axis. Now 7 square 49 plus 4 square 2 square 4 plus x square into this one is k vector. Z axis is vector k square root of 1 less than 0. Now dot product between these two. I cap, there is no I cap coefficient 0, 0 into 7 0, there is no j cap, so j cap coefficient 0, 0 into minus 2 0, k cap coefficient 1, coefficient of k cap x, x into 1 x by square root of this value is 53 plus x square less than 0. One important point, angle between vector B and Z axis is acute, okay, acute angle, and less than pi by 6 and less than 0 మనకి acute angle ఇక్కడ మనం less than 0 అని మనకి ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది జనరల్ గా. కానీ మనం ఏమి ఇచ్చాడంటే this one is acute and less than pi by 6. This angle is less than pi by 6. It means theta is less than pi by 6. Here theta is less than pi by 6. Now applying cos both sides. Cos theta. What is graph of cos theta? Decreasing or increasing? 0 pi by 2 minus pi by 2 minus pi here plus pi. Here this one is acute angle. Here graph of cos is decreasing or increasing? Graph of cos is decreasing. The graph of cos is decreasing. Now taking cos theta both sides. Now cos theta is less than becomes greater than because of decreasing graph. So మన గ్రాఫ్ అనేది డిక్రీజింగ్ అనుకోండి, కాస్ థీటా తీసుకుంటే ఏమవుతుంది, లెస్ దెన్ బికమ్స్ గ్రేటర్ దెన్. అది ఇంక్రీజింగ్ సైన్ థీటా తీసుకున్నాం అనుకోండి, ఇన్ కేసు ఇంక్రీజింగ్ ఆర్డర్ ఉంది అనుకోండి, ఇంక్రీజింగ్ ఆర్డర్ ఉంటే ఏం చేయాలి మనము, సైన్ థీటా తీసుకున్నాం. సపోజ్ ఇంకేదైనా ఇంక్రీజింగ్ ఆర్డర్ ఉంది అనుకో, సైన్ థీటా తీసుకుంటే సైన్ థీటా లెస్ దెన్ సైన్ పై బై 6 వస్తుంది ఇంక్రీజింగ్ ఆర్డర్ అయితే. డిక్రీజింగ్ ఆర్డర్ అయితే ఏమొస్తుంది, లెస్ దెన్ బికమ్స్ గ్రేటర్ దెన్ బికమ్స్ లెస్ దెన్. ఇన్ఈక్వాలిటీ విల్ బి చేంజ్. సో కాస్ థీటా గ్రేటర్ దెన్ కాస్ pi by 6. Cos pi by 6 is root 3 by 2. Cos 30 degrees root 3 by 2. Cos theta, what is cos theta? X by square root of 53 plus x square. So cross multiplication. X into x greater than root 3 by 2 into square root of 53 plus x square. Root 3 by 2, 52 plus x square. Or simply x by square root of 53 plus x square. Root 3 by 2 will take left hand side, minus root 3 by 2 greater than 0 is the better one. Taking LCM. What is LCM? 2. 2 times of square root of 53 minus x square. Now 2x minus root 3 times of square root of 53 plus x square greater than 0. It is more than 0. Your denominator always positive or less, it is square root of 53 plus x square, sorry. Your denominator is always positive or less than negative, it is always positive. This term is always positive. Now just remove this term. 2x minus root 3 square root of 53 plus x square greater than 0. Now 2x greater than, will take right hand side, root 3 times of square root of 53 plus x square. Here 2x is a positive term. 2x is a positive because 2x minus root 3 times of this number greater than 0. అంటే లార్జ్ నెంబర్ నుంచి స్మాల్ నెంబర్ తీసుకునే గ్రేటర్ దెన్ 0 వస్తుంది. 2x స్మాల్ నెంబర్ అనుకోండి, 2x స్మాల్ నెంబర్ అయితే ఏమవుతుందండి, స్మాల్ నెంబర్ మైనస్ బిగ్ నెంబర్ నెగిటివ్ వస్తుంది. డెఫినెట్లీ 2x is greater than this number, so 2x always positive. Square on both sides, 4x square greater than 3 times of 53 plus x square. Now 4x square greater than 159 plus 3x square. Now x square greater than 159. Now x square minus square root of 159 whole square greater than 0. So a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. Now x minus square root of 159 into x plus square root of 159 greater than 0. Now number line. Here this one is x equals minus square root of 159. Another root is square root of 159 plus infinity minus infinity. Axiom rate always positive, negative, positive. Here this number is greater than 0. Greater than 0 means create చేస్తున్నానండి most space. Here x belongs to minus infinity to minus square root of 159 union square root of 159 to infinity. Here positive and greater than 0 means positive terms. So finally, first here x equals to 0, minus infinity plus infinity. Here x is 0, next x is 1 by 2. Now x is minus square root of 159. Here x is square root of 159. Okay. First case x belongs to 0 and half. This is case 1. 0 and half between these two. Let's see here x belongs to minus infinity to square root of minus square root of 159. Next union square root of 159 to plus infinity. Here there is no common. Sir, there is no common. This one is minus infinity to square root of 159. Here x belongs to 0 to 1 by 2. Here x belongs to square root of 159 to infinity. There is no common thing. So x belongs to pi. Which one is the right option? Pi. X belongs to pi. Fourth one is the right answer. I hope you are understanding. Common, no common. This one equation 1. This one is equation 2. So here no common 1 and 2. Well, first equation, second equation is the common level. So x belongs to pi. Okay, video part cover కాలేదండి. This one I will write here. Here x belongs to, here x, this one is, this figure is greater than 0. It means we have to choose a positive area. What positive area? Minus infinity to minus square root of 159 union here square root of 159 to plus infinity. This is x belongs to this one. So this is the equation 2. What is common area? This one. There is no common 1 and 2. 1 and 2 రెండు చూస్తే కామన్ లేదు. కామన్ లేకపోతే ఏం చేస్తాం? x belongs to pi. Pi is the answer. So next one, vector or cross product of two vectors. Let a vector and vector b be non-zero vectors inclined at angle theta. Now vector a cross product with vector b, modulus a vector into modulus b vector into sin theta into n cap, unit vector n, where n cap, that is unit vector n This one is and where n cap is unit vector perpendicular to wave A vector and B vector. This one vector B, this one vector A. This one vector B, this one is vector A. Angle between these two theta. Now we are moving this direction. This one is A cross B. It is called A cross B. Your angle between these two theta. These are moving this in the direction. This is a moving in this direction. It is called B cross A. B cross A. This one is A cross B. Very important point. Now A cross B equals not equal to B cross A. Now A cross B equals minus of B cross A. Okay, this is the important thing. Yeah, two vectors there, A and B, angle between these two theta. You are moving in this direction. It is called A cross B. Yeah, vector A, vector B, two vectors given. These two are moving in this direction. It is called B cross A. Now A cross B not equal to B cross A. Here A cross B equal to minus of B cross A. Now n cap. This is the n cap. Here n cap is here where n cap is unit vector perpendicular to the plane vector A and vector B. This vector is perpendicular to vector A and perpendicular to vector B. This one is this vector is perpendicular to both the vectors. Here n cap. N cap is this vector is perpendicular to plane of vector B and vector A. It means this vector, this unit vector is perpendicular to vector A and perpendicular to vector B. మనం ఈ డైరెక్షన్ లో మూవ్ చేస్తున్నామంటే అర్థం ఏంటంటే సపోజ్ స్క్రూ ఉందండి, ఈ డైరెక్షన్ లో మూవ్ అవుతున్నామంటే స్క్రూ మనము ఇలా క్రాస్ చేస్తున్నాం. స్క్రూ ఇలా క్రాస్ చేస్తే స్క్రూ విల్ కమ్ అవుట్. స్క్రూ అనేది బయటకు వచ్చేస్తుంది, అంటే స్క్రూ అనేది మనం లూజ్ చేస్తున్నాం అండి. ఇట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ ఏ క్రాస్ బి. సపోజ్ మనం ఇక్కడ వెక్టర్స్ అని మూవ్మెంట్ అనేది ఈ డైరెక్షన్ అవుతుంది. ఈ డైరెక్షన్ మూవ్ అవుతుందంటే మనము స్క్రూని ఇలా టర్న్ చేస్తుండాలి. టర్న్ ఇలా చేస్తే ఏమవుతుందంటే స్క్రూ అనేది టైట్ అవుతుంది. దిస్ వన్ ఇస్ కాల్డ్ బి క్రాస్ ఏ. దట్ ఈస్ డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ ఏ క్రాస్ బి అండ్ బి క్రాస్ ఏ. ఓకే, మనకి ఈ డైరెక్షన్ లో మూవ్ అవ్వాలి. ఈ డైరెక్షన్ లో మూవ్ అవ్వాలంటే స్క్రూ ఏమవుతుందండి, విల్ కమ్ అవుట్, బయటకు వస్తుంది కదండి, అవుట్ సైడ్ వస్తుంది. ఇట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ ఏ క్రాస్ బి. ఈ కేసులో వచ్చేసరికి మనకి మూవింగ్ ఈ డైరెక్షన్ లో ఉందండి. ఈ డైరెక్షన్ లో మూవ్ అవుతుందంటే మనం ఏం చేయాలి, స్క్రూని ఏం చేయాలండి, ఈ డైరెక్షన్ లో మూవ్ చేయాలి. స్క్రూ ఈ డైరెక్షన్ మూవ్ చేస్తే ఏమవుతుందండి, స్క్రూ అనేది టైట్ అవుతుంది. అంటే మనకి ఇది నెగిటివ్ డైరెక్షన్ ఎన్ క్యాప్. ఇక్కడ ఉన్న ఏ క్రాస్ బికి ఆపోజిట్ టు బి క్రాస్ ఏ. అందుకే మనకి ఏ క్రాస్ బి ఈక్వల్ మైనస్ ఆఫ్ బి క్రాస్ ఏ. ఇక్కడ మనకి స్క్రూ అనేది టైట్ అవుతుంది. సో ఈ డైరెక్షన్ మూవ్ అయితే బి క్రాస్ ఏ అండి, ఈ డైరెక్షన్ మూవ్ అయితే ఏ క్రాస్ బి. నెక్స్ట్ మాడ్యులస్ వెక్టర్ ఏ క్రాస్ బి. ఏ క్రాస్ బి ఈక్వల్ టు vector A into vector B into sin theta into n cap. Modulus vector A cross B. Now vector A, vector B, sin theta, modulus n cap. Here where n is the unit vector. What is modulus of unit vector? 1. Now A cross B, modulus A cross B equal to modulus vector A, modulus vector B and sin theta. Here theta is angle between these two. Now angle between the two vectors sin theta equal to, what is the formula sin theta equal to? A cross B by modulus A vector into modulus B vector. This is the formula. Here n cap equals in this case n cap equals, what is n cap formula? N cap equal, what's the formula? So A cross B by modulus A vector into modulus B vector. In this case n cap equals, this one is moving in this direction, moving in the direction. So B cross A into modulus A vector into modulus B vector. Now, vector or cross product of two vectors, vector A, vector B, non-zero vectors inclined at angle theta, then A cross B equal to modulus A, modulus B, sin theta into n cap, where n cap unit vector perpendicular to the plane of vector A and vector B. This one is vector A. This one is vector. This one is vector B. This one is vector A. B vector. This one is vector A. Angle between these two vectors is theta. Angle between these two theta. Here move this direction. It is A cross B, vector A cross vector B. Now move this direction. Now it is B cross A. I hope you are understanding. Here theta angle move this direction. It is called A cross B. Here theta angle moves in this direction. Now it is B cross A. Here unit vector n cap is a unit vector perpendicular to the plane of vector A and vector B. This vector is perpendicular to vector B and vector A. Here moving this direction, it is called B cross A. Move this direction, it is called A cross B. Now this vector n cap, this vector is perpendicular to vector A and vector B. Here n cap equals, now modulus vector A cross vector B equals modulus A vector modulus B vector into sin theta modulus n cap. Here n is the unit vector. Modulus of unit vector is 1. Now A cross B equals modulus A vector into modulus B vector into sin theta. Here n cap equals A cross B by modulus A cross B. Here n cap equals, it is a B cross A. Move this direction. It is called B cross A. Now B cross A by modulus B cross A. What is the difference between these two? Here n cap equals A cross B by modulus A cross B. Here when n vector equals B cross A by modulus B cross A. Now this one is minus n cap. Actually A vector cross B vector, A cross B not equal to B cross A. A cross B not equal to B cross A. Now A cross B equal to minus of B cross A. Both are in opposite direction. Yes or no? Here move this direction. Here moving in this direction. This one is clockwise, this one is anti-clockwise. This one clockwise, this one is anti-clockwise. One important point, n cap. So moving which direction? Anti-clockwise direction. Move this direction. What happened? Screw will come out. మనకి స్క్రూ అనేది లూజ్ అయిపోతుందండి. స్క్రూ మనం బిగిస్తే ఏమవుతుంది? స్క్రూ లూజ్ అయిపోతుంది. విల్ కమ్ అవుట్. సపోజ్ దిస్ ఇస్ స్క్రూ. సో విచ్ డైరెక్షన్ అండి? మూవింగ్ క్లాక్ వైజ్ డైరెక్షన్. స్క్రూ ఏమవుతుందండి? టైట్ అవుతుంది. ఇక్కడ మనకి స్క్రూ ఏమవుతుంది? టైట్ అవుతుంది. సో ఇక్కడ బి క్రాస్ ఏ వస్తుంది, ఇక్కడేమో ఏ క్రాస్ బి అండి. సో డైరెక్షన్ చూసుకోవాలి. ఇక్కడ వెక్టార్ ఏ టు బి, మూవింగ్ ఏ టు బి అండి. అంటే మనకి ఎలా వస్తుంది? బోత్ ఆర్ పర్పెండిక్యులర్ టు విచ్ డైరెక్షన్? యాంటీ క్లాక్వైజ్ డైరెక్షన్. ఇట్ ఈస్ ఏ క్రాస్ బి. ఇక్కడ మూవింగ్ క్లాక్వైజ్ డైరెక్షన్ అండి, బి టు ఏ. సో దిస్ వన్ ఈస్ బి క్రాస్ ఏ. Now angle between the two vectors. Angle between two vectors. Sin theta equals modulus a cross b by modulus a vector into modulus b vector. Okay. Geometrical interpretation of cross product. B A, this O, this one is n cap. Here OA is vector A, OB is vector B. This one vector A, this one vector B. Point C. Now OA BC is a parallelogram. OA CB is the parallelogram. What is a parallelogram? Parallelogram is a quadrilateral with opposite sides are equal and parallel. With opposite sides are equal and parallel. So opposite sides are equal and parallel. Drawn perpendicularly. This one is L, 90 degrees perpendicular, height of the parallelogram BL. It is a right angle triangle. This one is theta, opposite to theta BL, adjacent OL, OB hypotenuse, opposite to 90 degrees hypotenuse. Yes or no? What is length of BL? Here BL equals BL length. Here BL equal to theta, opposite theta, hypotenuse B into sin theta. Now OL length of OL. Here OL is adjacent, so hypotenuse into cos theta. Now what is the formula? Cross product A cross B modulus A vector into modulus B vector into sin theta into n cap. Here A vector is OL into B modulus B into sin theta, that is the length of BL into n cap. Can you observe OL into base into height? What is area of the parallelogram? It is a area of the parallelogram. What area of the parallelogram? Base into height. This one is area of the parallelogram into n cap. Area of the parallelogram into n cap. important results. First one, sin theta equals angle between the two vectors modulus a cross b by modulus a into modulus b. A cross b equals modulus a vector into modulus b vector into angle between the two vectors theta sin theta into n cap. Now modulus a cross b equals a vector into b vector modulus a vector into modulus b vector into sin theta. Here where n cap is unit vector, modulus of unit vector is 1. Now sin theta equals modulus a cross b by modulus a vector into modulus b vector. This is the formula. Area of parallelogram with adjacent sides of parallelogram a vector and b vector. Parallelogram opposite sides are equal and parallel. Parallelogram is a quadrilateral with opposite sides are equal and parallel. Now area of the parallelogram with adjacent sides a and b. Now modulus a cross b. Area of triangle OAB. Area of triangle OAB with adjacent sides A, B, C. Okay, O, A, B. This one is C. That was separately. O, A, B, vector B, vector A, vector C. Now, area of triangle. Now, area of the triangle OAB. Area of the triangle OAB equals half into modulus A cross B or half into modulus B cross C or half into modulus C cross A. Okay, this is a formula. Area of the triangle. Next. Area of the parallelogram with the diagonals. Here area of the parallelogram with adjacent sides modulus A cross B. Here area of the parallelogram with the diagonals half into A cross B. Here A one diagonal, B is the other diagonal. So half into A cross B or half into diagonal 1, diagonal 1 cross diagonal 2. OA B C. This is the vector OA. Let's OA vector B P. OB vector B Q. This one vector P. This one vector Q. OC is the one diagonal. The given one diagonal is A. This is the diagonal A. Now AP is the one diagonal, other diagonal B vector, A vector and B vector, two diagonals. What is the area of the parallelogram? Area of parallelogram. Area of the parallelogram with adjacent sides equal to modulus A cross B. Here adjacent sides A and B, so modulus A cross B. Here adjacent sides P and Q. So modulus P vector cross Q vector. Area of the parallelogram modulus P cross Q. Now triangle OAC, triangle OAC using triangular law. What is triangular law? OA plus AC equal to OC. OA is P vector, AC is Q vector, this one is P vector. parallelogram, opposite sides are equal and parallel. So AC is Q vector, vector Q, OC. Here OC one diagonal A vector, vector A. Let us see equation 1. In triangle OAB, using triangle, what is triangle? OA plus AB, OA plus AB, OA plus AB equal to OB. Here vector OA, P vector, vector P AB, B vector, OB, Q vector, vector Q. Now P vector minus Q vector equal to minus vector B. Let us see equation 2. Now 1 plus 2, adding these two equations, 1 plus 2. Now Q vector plus minus Q vector cancel out. P vector plus P vector 2P. 2P equal to A minus B, vector A minus vector B. Now P vector equal to vector A minus vector B by 2. This one fourth equation. Now 1 minus 2, second one subtract from 1, we get P minus P cancelled, Q minus of minus Q, 2Q equals A minus of minus B, vector A plus vector B. Now Q vector equals vector A plus vector B by 2. Let us see equation 5. Okay, this is the 1 and 2 over 3. This one is 4, fourth equation. 3 and 4. Here P is A vector minus vector B by 2. Here where Q is vector A plus vector B by 2. What is the area of the parallelogram? Area of parallelogram equal to modulus product of adjacent sides. What are the adjacent sides? P vector and Q vector. P vector cross Q vector. Now P vector P. Now A minus B by 2 cross Q vector A cross B, sorry, A minus B, Q vector A plus B by 2. So 2 into 2, 4, 1 by 4 being outside. Now cross product A cross A 0, B cross B 0, C cross C 0. Now A cross B equals minus of B cross C. Both are same. A cross B equals minus of B cross C. Okay, here A cross B equals to minus of B cross A. Next one, one more thing. A cross, okay, more. Now 1 by 4 being outside, A cross into A cross A is 0, A cross minus A cross B, next minus of B cross A, B cross B 0. Now A cross B equal to minus of B cross A. It means B cross A equal to minus of A cross B. So 1 by 4 modulus A cross B minus of minus plus again A cross B. Now 1 by 4 2 times of A cross B. 2 ones are 2 twos. This will be 1 by 2 modulus A cross B. It is a formula. 1 by 2 modulus A cross B. Okay. Sin theta, angle between the two vectors, modulus A cross B by modulus A into modulus B. Area of the parallelogram with adjacent sides. A and B are two adjacent sides. Now modulus A cross B. Area of the parallelogram with the diagonals, half into diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. With adjacent sides half into with adjacent sides area of the parallelogram modulus A cross B. Now with the diagonals half into modulus diagonal one diagonal cross the other diagonal. Now area of the triangle OBC. Area of the triangle OBC with adjacent sides A, B, C. Now half into A cross B or half into B cross C equal to half into A cross Z or C cross Z. Next one, A cross B equal to minus of B cross A. A cross of B plus C. Now A cross B plus A cross C. If A cross B equal to 0, then A vector parallel to vector B. Vector A parallel to vector B. It means your theta equal to 0 degrees. Now A cross B formula. What is the A cross B formula? Modulus A vector into modulus B vector into sin theta into n cap. If theta equal to 0 degrees, so A cross B equal to modulus A modulus B sin 0 0 0 into n cap. So this one is 0. Two vectors are parallel, then cross product will be 0. Next, I into J, I cross J cross J. Sorry, this one is I cross I. I cross I, J cross J, K cross K equal to 0 because of angle between these two 0 degrees. I cross I. So angle between the I and I is 0 degrees. Now I cross I. What is the cross product? Modulus I cap modulus J sin theta into n cap. So angle is 0. Modulus I cap 1. Modulus J cap coefficient is 1. Square root of 1 is 1. Sin theta, here theta equals 0. 0 into n cap. So that is finally 0. Now I cross I, J cross J, K cross K is 0. Next, I cross J. The angle between I and J 90 degrees. Modulus I, modulus J, sin theta into n cap. Now I coefficient is 1, square root of 1 is 1. 1 into 1 sin 90. Sin 90 is 1. 1 into n cap. This one is 1. I cross J equal to K vector. Next, J cross K is I vector. Next, K cross I equal to J. One important thing is I cross J equal to vector K, but J cross I equal to minus K cap. J cross K equal to I, but K cross J equal to minus I. Okay. Next one. If A vector and B vector is given, then A cross B equal to I, J, K, I coefficient A1, here A2, J coefficient B1, here B2, K coefficient C1, here C2. So A cross B equal to modulus of I, J, K, coefficient of I, J, K, A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2. It is a better one. Okay, generally, how to calculate cross product? Here cross product I into I cross J is 0. Next I cross J is K. Next I cross K, difficult solve. Next J into I into J, K, J into I, j into I minus k. Using this procedure, it takes lot of time. Better one is modulus. So modulus of I j k, coefficient of I j k, a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c3. Next, vector of magnitude lambda perpendicular to the plane of vector A and vector B is given by plus or minus lambda A cross B by modulus A cross B. It is a vector B. This one is vector A. Here, theta, this direction. It is called A cross B. Vector B, vector A. This is n cap. Here n cap. Now theta this direction. Now it is B cross A. Now n cap equals B cross A by modulus B cross A. This will be minus of A cross B by modulus A cross B. This one is here, in this case n cap equals A cross B by modulus A cross B. Here n cap is positive, here n cap is a minus of. That's why vector of magnitude positive possible, negative possible. Vector of magnitude lambda perpendicular to the plane of A vector and B vector are given by plus or minus lambda A cross B by modulus A cross B. Important formula, remember, just memorize it. Okay, I hope we are understanding this one. Here A cross B, I cap into I cap, I cap into J cap, I cap into K cap, J cap into I cap, J cap into J cap, J cap into K cap. Using this procedure, it takes lot of time. So now better one is determinant form. Okay, determinant form, it's important one. Next one, Lagrange's identity for vectors A and B. Now modulus A cross B whole square equals modulus A square into modulus B square minus of A dot B whole square. Now A dot A, this is a 2 by 2. Now A dot A into B dot B minus of A dot B whole square. Now modulus A square modulus B square minus of A dot B whole square. This one is the result. Now modulus A square modulus B square minus A dot B dot product with B vector. Now modulus A vector into modulus B vector into cos theta whole square, dot product formula. Now bring outside here modulus A square there, modulus B square there. Bring outside modulus A square into modulus B square. 1 minus cos square theta. Now modulus A square into modulus B square into 1 minus cos square theta sin square theta. This one is a cross product. A cross B whole square. A cross B whole square. This is the formula. I hope you are understanding. What is A cross B? Modulus A into modulus B into sin theta.